Hey folks, how we doing? It's Mr. Carter here, ready to do Homelink 88. Go ahead and put your name on this if you haven't yet, and let's begin. So, we have some number stories here that deal with area and perimeters, and we're going to be working with fractions. So, we're going to work these problems out. The Murphy family bought 2 rectangular dog beds for their pets. So, Fluffy has a bed that's 3 feet by 1 and 9/12 feet. Pete's bed measures 4 feet by 2 and 4/12 feet. How much more area does Pete's bed have than Fluffy's? So in order to figure that out, we need to figure out the area of each bed, and then we're going to subtract the two from each other to figure out who has the more area. So let's go through that. So we have 2 beds. We have Fluffy's, that's 3 by 1 and 9/12, and Pete's, that's 4 times 4 and 4/12. Okay, so to find the area, we got to multiply the length times the width. So it's 3 times 1 and 9/12. Well, in order to do that, you got to break it apart, and you got to go 3 times 1, and then 3 times 9/12. And then you're going to add those two together. So 3 times 1 is 3. And we're just going to kind of put that here to the side for now. We're going to figure out 3 times 9/12. Well, that's 27 twelfths because 3 times 9 is 27. And we don't change the denominator, so that's 3 and 27 twelfths. Now, that is a whole number in a top-heavy fraction or improper fraction, so we need to break that apart. We're going to break our 27 twelfths into 12 twelfths plus another 12 twelfths. And I know 12 plus 12 is 24. And that leaves us with 3 twelfths left. So that's 1 whole, 2 wholes, and 3 twelfths. So we have 3 wholes plus the 2 more will equal 5 wholes and 3 twelfths. So we know that the area of Fluffy's bed is 5 and 3/12. Now we've got to figure out what Pete's bed is. So Pete's bed, excuse me, we got to go 4 times 2, and then we got to go 4 times 4/12. Okay, so 4 times 2 is 8. I'll just put that here to the side. We'll add it later, and then we got to go 4 times 4/12. Well, then 4 times 4 is 16, and that's 16 twelfths. So we got 8 and 16 twelfths. Well, again, we got a whole number in a top-heavy fraction, so we've got to break that apart into whole numbers. So it's 16 twelfths. We can break it apart into 12 twelfths and 4 more twelfths, because 12 plus 4 is 16. So that gives us another whole and 4 twelfths. So we're going to add that whole to the 8 that we already have. So that's 8, 9, and 4 twelfths. So now our original question was, how much more area does Pete's bed have than Fluffy's? Well, Pete's bed is, the area is 9 and 4 twelfths. And Fluffy's bed is 5 and 3/12. So we've got to subtract those two. So 5 and 3/12. So now 4 twelfths take away 3 twelfths. That leaves us with 1 twelfth. And 9 take away 5 is 4. So the answer is 4 and 1/12 square feet. Now what's the perimeters of Pete's bed? Well, we know that Pete's bed has one side that's 4 and the other side that's 2 and 4/12. So to find the perimeter, we've got to add all 4 sides together. So we're going to go 4, and we know that the opposite side is 4, so that's 4 plus 4. And then the opposite side of this one, it's 2 and 4/12. So that means this side is 4, 2 and 4/12. So now you're going to go 4 plus 4 plus 2 and 4/12 plus 2 and 4/12. So I'm going to break this apart again. Put all my wholes together. So 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2. And I'm going to put my fractions over here. Plus 4/12 plus 4/12. So that's 4 and 4 is 8 plus 2 plus 2. That's 8, 12 wholes and 8 twelfths, because 4 twelfths plus 4 twelfths is 8 twelfths. So the answer to that is 12 and 8 twelfths. All right, number 2. The Chow family bought 2 rectangular cat beds for their cats. Similar to Murphy's, but again, we're dealing with cats. So George's bed is 2 by 1 and 2 twelfths. Sammy's bed is 2 feet by 1 and 7 twelfths feet. Now they're asking us what is the total area of these 2 beds. So again, you're going to have to find the area for George's bed, and then you got to find the area for Sammy's bed, and then add those together. Okay. So to find the area of George's bed, you got to go 2 times 1 and 2 twelfths. So that means we're going to go 2 times 1. And then we're going to go add that to 2 times 2 twelfths. 2 times 1, well that's 2, plus 2 times 2 twelfths, well 2 times 2 is 4, so that means 4 twelfths. So the area of George's bed is 2 and 4 twelfths. Now Sammy's bed, we're going to go 2 times, so because we're doing like times width again, 2 times 1 and 7 twelfths. Again, we got to go 2 times 1, add that to 2 times 7 twelfths. Okay, so 2 times 1 is 2, plus 2 times 7 twelfths. Well, 2 times 7 is 14 twelfths. So that means it's 2 and 14 twelfths. Well, again, we got an improper fraction here with the whole number, so we got to break that apart. So that's 2. I'm sorry. 14 twelfths, we can go 12 over 12. That gives us a whole. That leaves us with 2 twelfths left. So we got a whole here. Add it to the whole that we already have. So that's 2 plus 1 whole would be 3. And 2 twelfths left over. So now we know that the area for George's bed was 2 and 4 twelfths. We've got to add it to what Sammy's bed was, which was 3 and 2 twelfths. So 2 and 4 twelfths plus 3 and 2 twelfths. So that would be 2 plus 3 plus 4 twelfths plus 2 twelfths. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 4 twelfths plus 2 twelfths is 6 twelfths. So the answer is 5 and 6 twelfths. Now it's the perimeter of George's bed. So we've got to go and add all 4 sizes. Well, here's George's bed again. So it's a 2 by 1 and 2 twelfths. So we've got to go 2 plus 2 plus 1 twelfth plus 1. I'm sorry, 1 and 2 twelfths plus 1 and 2 twelfths. So I'm going to, again, put all my wholes together. 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. Then our fractions together. 2 twelfths plus 2 twelfths. So that's 2, 4, 5, 6. And 4 twelfths. The answer is 6 and 4 twelfths. Okay, number 3. So here they give us the perimeter, which is 12 and 2 tenths. And they give us a rectangle here with one side, the width of 2 and 1 tenth. So we've got to figure out the area. So to figure that out, we first need to find out what this length is, and then we'll be able to multiply the length times the width. So to figure out the length, we must take the widths and add them together. And I'll show you why, because this side is 2 and 1 tenth, so this side needs to be 2 and 1 tenth. So we're going to add 2 and 1 tenth plus 2 and 1 tenth plus the 2 lengths will equal our perimeter of 12 and 2 tenths. So now we have, let's break it apart and put our wholes together. So 2 plus 2, and then our fractions together. 1 tenth plus 1 tenth, that's 4 and 2 tenths. Now we can't forget our 2 L's, our 2 lengths. So 4/10 plus 2 lengths equals a total of 12 and 2/10. So now how to figure out the way of the length is we got to take what we know and subtract it from our widths and subtract it from our total perimeter, and then we'll be left with just the lengths. So I'm going to take 12 and 2/10. I'm going to take away 4 and 2/10. So that's our total perimeter taking away what we already have. So 2/10 take away 2/10 is 0, and 12 take away 4. Well, that's 8. So we don't really put the 0 here because these just kind of cancel each other out. So really we're left with 12 take away 4, which is 8. So now that we know that length and length equals 8. Now, since we have 2 lengths, we need to take that 8 and divide it by 2. So if we do that, we know that 1 length equals 4. So now if we go back to our drawing, and we know that this here is 4, we need to find the area by going 4 times 2 and 1/10. I'll do that down here. So 2 and 1/10 times 4. Well, you just go again 4 times 2 plus 4 times 1/10. So 4 times 2 is 8 plus 4/10. So the area would be 8 and 4/10. 8 and 4/10. So 4 is pretty similar to 3. So whenever you try to figure that one out on your own, see how you do with that. Our practice here, we're just subtracting fractions with like denominators. So 5/6 take away 1/6. That leaves us with 4/6. And 6 over here is 8/8. Take away 3/8, which is 5/8. And I think 7 and 8 you can do on your own. See how you do with those. Let me know if you have any questions. All right, have a good day.